That's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. If I have any mistakes, please pardon me. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Thank you everyone for watching our video. Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you doing today? I hope that you all are doing great. We are also doing fantastic today by the grace of Almighty Allah. আশা করি সবাই অনেক বেশি ভালো আছেন। আকি আপু has spoken. So today I'm going to interview her. I'm going to ask her some basic questions. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
May I have your full name please?
Yes, of course. My full name is Aki Akhtar.
And what should I call you?
You can call me Aki.
Alright Aki, where are you from?
Basically, I'm originally from Kumilla, but currently I live in Dhaka.
Alright, thank you. What do you do?
I'm a student. Now, currently I'm studying in BSc in Computer Science at Green University of Bangladesh.
Nice.
And on top of that, I am also a student at Mehdi's English Care.
Nice. Thank you very much. Aki, are you ready to introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
ready. Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are bright and shiny. I am also fit and fine. First of all, I would like to thank my teacher, my honorable teacher, Mr. Mehdi Hassan sir, for letting me speak. Today, I am gonna introduce myself. So let's get the ball rolling. This is Aki Akhtar here. You can call me Aki. I am 25 years old. Originally, I am from Kumilla, but currently I live in Dhaka. I'm a student, and now I'm studying in BSc in Computer Science at Green University of Bangladesh. On top of that, I'm also a student at Mehdi's English Care. There are 4 family members in my family. I have only one sister, and my father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife. I am talking about my free time. In my free time, I love gardening and I love cycling.
Sure.
I love to read storybook and listen to song.
Okay.
And I dislike to these people who are talking about another people.
Okay.
I dislike
Hypocrisy.
I dislike hypocrisy and dishonest people. In my future, I want to be a fluent English speaker. Please pray for me. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. If I have any mistakes, please pardon me. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Thank you everyone for watching our video. I like to read storybooks and listen to songs.
I love to
এখান থেকে আবার I love to read storybooks প্রথম ভিডিওতে এরকম হবে I love to read storybooks